So guys, I've cleaned up soldering iron, I've started to tin it, and I am by no means the best solderer in the world. That makes the video channel, this video, just a little bit more interesting. Wow, I'm nervous, eh? So I'm just going to hit the cable, add a little bit of solder. And again to this one. You'll also notice I put down a bit of wood. My partner is away and I don't want her to come back and kill me, so I can never make any more videos for the channel because I've destroyed the kitchen table with... Now, if I'm quite honest, I probably should remove the little micro board there, which is like basically the all-in-one power distribution board, as well as the got the electronic speed controllers, the ISCs built into it. However, I've got enough space. I'm sorry that you guys can't quite see it. I'm also going to just add a little bit of solder. Don't ask me why, but it's went very, very white with smoke. I'm just going to test it. Still turns on. Right, so next. Maybe I should solder this side. Come over this way a little bit. Give me a bit more space. Clip that. Give me a bit more room. Also that one there. That's open that up much better from this side. So I've added a little tiny bit there to each. That was trickier than I thought. I'm just going to test it again. Still working, brilliant. Right, so now it's time to add the camera. think I just need a little bit more solder on that pad there. Let's try this time. Okay guys, so that now is soldered on. I'm going to add a tiny little bit of hot glue to each of those just to protect the soldering joints. Just I hope I haven't just got glue in there. I'm going to add those back in just to make sure that I don't get any glue on those connections. These are all little problems that the pros don't seem to show, but or things maybe people think about but I haven't, but you know, there you go. Right. The problem is those cables are in the way. Let's just fold them back, and I'll add a little bit of hot glue to those just there. Cool, so I'll push those cables back into place, and there as well. So guys, that is the camera on, and let's just test it, which I probably should have done before I stuck the hot glue in, and everything's got power. Brilliant. So next, really what I should have done is measured up the piece of foam that I'm going to stick it on and cut that out, which goes, you guys won't need to see this. I'm literally going to measure that like that, mark it on there and then cut it out. Super, see you in a bit.